The first step when you're cleaning a wood floor or a tile floor is to use your dry mop. This is the same as sweeping. You're picking up the heavy residue and anything that could cause your vacuum to malfunction and to get all the corners where the vacuum cannot reach. You collect it all in one spot. And here we have all the items that have been rounded up with the dust mop. There's some items that have been rounded up that will cause your vacuum to malfunction. You can see a penny and also a hairpin. Those are items that will cause the vacuum to malfunction after it gets caught up in between the vacuum and the belt. So to just pick that up, just spray it with the all-purpose cleaner and just use your blue rag to pick it up, and then you can go ahead and dispose it in the trash. Next, you vacuum the floor. This is to pick up whatever is remaining to get those floors ready for your wet mop. You don't want to have any residue still on the floor or anything still left over that you're moving around while you're mopping. Next up, you start your wet mop with your wet mop pad. You spray and mop. And make sure you press really hard on that mop while you are mopping. This will get the floor super clean. And also change the mop pad frequently. Rule of thumb is to change the mop pad as you move from one room to the other. But always make sure you're checking that mop pad and making sure that it is clean and you're not moving dirt from one part of the house to the other. Put pressure on that mop while you're mopping and mop really hard. Make sure you're picking up all the dirt that is on the floor. Sometimes you need to go over one area several times just to get it super clean. And you change your mop pad often. When taking out the trash, you want to wipe the trash cans. If the trash can is housed in a cabinet, you wipe out the inside of that cabinet. You wipe the area where the trash can sits or rests. In this case, it's a wall. You gotta wipe down that wall where that trash can will be resting. Make sure you get the baseboards. In the kitchen, we always wipe down the kitchen baseboards. Take out the trash and immediately you will walk it out and put it in the proper trash, recycle, whatever it is. Make sure you put it in the right bins. Find out where they keep the replacement trash bags, and you put a new trash bag in the trash cans.